Magdangal greetings everyone. My name is Mr. Lapista, and in today's tutorial, I'll be guiding you through essential networking concepts that will help you manage and optimize your network infrastructure. In this video, we'll cover two important concepts, VLANs and BTP. VLANs allow you to segment a network into smaller, more manageable sections, improving security and efficiency. BTP or VLAN trunking protocol simplifies the management of these VLANs across multiple switches, ensuring your configuration stay consistent. Let's dive into the step-by-step process of setting this up on your network. So after we create a network topology and connect the devices, we will now assign IP addresses to the PCs. Click on the PC you want to configure. A new window will open showing various tabs like desktop, config, etc. And then click on the desktop tab and then select IP configuration. This will open a window when you can enter IP details. The configuration window will see fields for IP address such as mask and default gateway. Enter the IP address you want to assign to the PC. Example, 192.168.1.1, and then after that, you can now save your work and just do the same thing with the other PC. So now let's proceed to the switch 0 or the server configuration. First, click the switch 0 that we need to configure, and then in the command, type enable. This mode lets you make changes to the switch configuration, and then enter configure terminal. Press enter. This mode allows you to configure the switch settings, and then type BTP version 2. Press enter. BTP version 2 supports additional features and compatibility improvement, and then set BTP mode or BTP mode server, and then press enter. In server mode, the switch can create and manage VLANs, and then set BTP domain name. The BTP domain that I type is BTP domain PNC. The domain name ensures VLAN information is shared only among switches in the same domain. And then, set BTP password. The password secures the VLAN information exchange. And then, set host name. With the switch number and the name. Naming the switch helps you identify it easily in the network. And then, exit configuration mode. Type exit and then press enter. Exit the current configuration mode to enter the previous mode. And then check BTP status. And then after that, we will create and name VLANs. Type enable and then configure terminal. So now, after we configure the interface of the server switch or the switch 0, we will now configure the interface of the switch 1 and the switch 2. In the command, enter enable. It allows you to make configuration changes. And then enter configure terminal. It enables configuration of switch settings. And then configure interfaces. FA0/1. Type interface FA0/1 and then press enter. It accesses the configuration for port FA0/1 and then type switch port mode access. Press enter. It sets the port to access mode, meaning it will only be part of one VLAN. And then type switch port access VLAN 10 and then press enter. After we configure the interface of switch 1 and switch 2, we will now configure the interface of the switch 3. Again, in the command, just type enable and then press enter to allow you configuration changes. And then type configure terminal to enable configuration of switch settings. And then configure interface FA0/1. Type interface FA0/1 and then press enter. It accesses the configuration for port FA0/1 and then type switch port mode access. Press enter. It sets the port to access mode and then type switch port access VLAN 40. Press enter. It assigns VLAN 40 to this port and then exit and then press enter. Just repeat the same steps to the other interface in the switch. So after we configure the server switch, the switch 1 and the switch 2 and the switch 3, we will now test if what we did is successful or not. We will know if what we did is right, if it is successful, and if it is failed, then what we did is wrong. So that's it. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Until next time.